Hey guys, so to begin with, I'm using my Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette in color chocolate. You see how it looks so beautiful. You will not know that this palette is so cheap. I bought it about 5-6 pounds from AliExpress. It's so good, so beautiful. And then with the lighter kind of like chocolate type, I want to do this look like a little bit of a golden glitter, like with the chocolate. So I hope you like this video. So going in, I'm blending with the chocolate color and make sure I blend through all this process. Is like blending until you get the color that you need. Yeah, so I'm going in again with a little bit of the lighter shade at the top of my upper corner to just go through it until it all blends in nicely. So from there, I'm going with my golden glitter to just from the inner corner of my eye going into the middle side until it's all in and then beautiful and then well done in it. So yeah, so I thought of using a concealer to cut crease at the top, but then it would be too much. This is just like a simple like everyday look, so just going in with a little bit of glitter gold will be okay. So I'm just doing this on one eye to just illustrate to you how it will look if I should do it on the other eye too. So after that, I'm going in with my little bit of chocolate again to still blend in until the golden color stand on its own, blend throughout from the middle to the corner side until it's done. Yep. So next, I go in with my concealer to cut the edge of it to make the eyeshadow look like standing on its own. If I should have been doing the full of my face, you see that the line, a little bit of harsh line, they will be gone because I'll blend in throughout with my foundation and all my concealer. So now I'm going in with the same color with a very little brush underneath my eye to just and then with my mascara on my eye and then put on my lashes and then I'll be done. It's just so simple and quick to do. This is really fast, about 3-4 minutes. About 3 minutes. So that's my eye liner. So just shaping it up a little bit, just a little bit of black eyeliner with that, and then from there put on my lashes and then I think I'm done. So hope that you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next videos. I hope you enjoyed this. Just remember to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to reply. So this is the final look. I hope it look okay. This is just a simple like everyday look, so I hope you like it. Yeah, so you see the other eye I did not do, it looks so different from the one I did, so it look good. Just remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.